Cryptocurrencies are volatile. There are always price movements when buying or selling an asset. It helps to be able to adjust the swap parameters to suit your specific needs. For example, if you are going to swap MAD USDC for ADA, you see that for 10 MAD USDC, you'll receive 21.59 ADA. Does it mean that you will receive exactly this amount? Not necessarily, as any swap you do has parameters which affect how much you receive, apart from previous requests. If you open the settings, you will see these. The slippage tolerance means how large a change you will tolerate in the exchange rate when you swap. Every request made before yours changes the exchange rate. If you set a very small tolerance, your request may not be fulfilled. If you set a high one, the exchange rate may move a lot. Deadline. Before it ends, your request is deemed valid. If the request expires invalidated, the agents will no longer attempt to fulfill it, and you'll be able to reclaim your funds. The minimum time is 20 minutes, and there is no maximum. If you set too tight a deadline, your order may not be fulfilled. The longer the deadline, the higher the chance of your request going through. When the lock ratio between tokens is checked, it maintains the ratio between tokens for the swap. If you uncheck it, you can change the amount that you expect to get from the swap. Now, when you go back and open the details, you'll see receive at least. This is the minimum you'll receive with a slippage tolerance of 0.2%. This amount comes from the current rate, 21.59 minus the slippage tolerance, creating the receive at least figure of 21.54. The best estimate of what you will actually receive is the receive current estimate. Another useful metric is the price impact, the relative difference between the amount of tokens you receive and the current market price estimate. And if you ever forget what any of these parameters mean, just hover over the tooltip.